This is breaking news.
Good morning and thank you for watching 2 News Nevada. I'm Kyle Louder. So we begin with breaking news this morning. 2 people are dead after a crash on North Virginia Street at Tallis Way. Now here's a live look at the area right now. Virginia Street is currently closed from North McCarran to Parr Boulevard. According to Reno police, the 2 people who died were riding on a motorcycle. And police are still investigating what led up to this crash, but speed might have been a factor. So we will, of course, keep you updated as more information is released.